Good morning, everyone. I was just hanging out outside and I just saw one of the coolest birds. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it on video. I have no idea what it is, but it's quite big. Oh no, it left. Sad. It was very big. Like, it looked like as big as a chicken, and I think it might be a type of bird of prey, but it was like pretty gray, and then I think it had like a black mask or something. And then, let's see, what else? Black, so it's mostly gray, black mask looking thing with like white on top and white on the bottom, like below the mask. And then like gray cap. And then I think at a white like belly, or like it's lighter under the belly area. Yeah, I don't know where it went. Sad. Anyways, so today I have a match at 7 p.m. I'm gonna probably try to get picked up at 5 p.m. My friend Maddie, she's playing at 5:30, I think. So I'll be there in time to watch her match. Today I've only had breakfast, went on a walk, and then I'm just gonna try to find a spot to lie in the sun. I don't know where I'm gonna lie in the sun yet, but these are my options. Not really options, but just like this. Somewhere around here, or maybe in the driveway if I really want to. Not sure yet. Yeah, so great. Anyways, I just really want to be in the sun because I haven't actually been in the sun for quite a while. I mean, in Malaysia it's hot and sunny every day, but because it's so humid and so hot out there, I never go outside. Or I have to go outside to walk to the courts, but I never actually stay outside and get to like actually enjoy outside. So I'm taking my chance here, being pretty cool temperature, to spend some time outside. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. And yeah, I'll show you guys my match later today. Hopefully it goes well. Okay, bye guys. Okay, so hear that call right there? That is the call from the bird that I was talking about earlier, but I can't see it. I know it's somewhere in that tree. But I saw like a glimpse of it, and in that glimpse I knew, oh there, let me see if I can like show you guys. I'll try to get to a slightly shadier spot. Okay, let's see. Oh, these flies are so annoying. Okay, I hope the camera's actually able to like pick it up, but there is a bird right there, and it's gray. And that's the bird that's making the call. Hopefully if it comes out into like a slightly open spot, then I can like show you guys. This is my spot for the time being. Just wanna sit in the sun for a bit. Yay, look at this. Get a nice serenade from the whatever bird that is while I swat off these flies and try to enjoy the sun for a little bit. Okay, I'll hopefully be able to show you guys the bird later. Okay, bye. Okay, so the bird is back. There's actually 3 of them now in 3 separate trees. They're the ones that you hear right now. Also, these flies are so annoying. They keep flying into my face and around my ears, and I'm kind of like, just leave me alone. Okay. see if I can see the... Oh my god. I don't know if the camera's catching them. Ouch. I hit the... I should have... Let's see. I do not feel very sneaky. Okay, it's in that tree there. Where is it? Holy moly, these flies. Where is it? Oh my god, there's... Wait, what was that? Oh, wait, is that it? Oh, that's it. I can't see it. Just looks like... Wait, no, that's not the bird. Where is the... I don't think that's the bird. Let me see. 'Cause I feel like this one doesn't have any white on it. This one looking like just looks like a crow, even though I know it's not a crow. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah, that's the bird. I don't know if you guys saw that, but anyways, we're gonna go hang out inside now. I think I've been outside with these flies long enough. Ooh. No, the tree's in the way so you can't actually see it. They're like way over there now. Oh, these flies. They're like way over there. There's that one. Let's see. Anyways. Kind of annoyed with these flies, so I'm gonna go inside. But I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Currently waiting to get picked up. Yeah. Just letting you know. It's like a nice-ish sunset. I went on for a walk earlier today over there. It's quite nice. I had fun. And yeah, now I'm just hanging out. Oh! Oh wait, never mind. This wasn't Peter's car, I thought it was. Here's a nice sky. Wow, look at that, so pretty. I guess I'll just update you guys when I'm back at the club, or when I arrive at the club. Okay, bye! I forgot to mention, when I was going on my walk outside, it was the same thing as being in the backyard. The flies just like, they were so annoying. I mean, they were harmless, but they were just so annoying. But they would just keep like landing on me or like buzzing, you know, around the ears and the face and all that. And then I actually found some lavender bushes, which was really cute, and they smelled really nice, so I took off like a little piece and then brought it back to my room, and now I just have a bit of lavender with me. Let's see, what else did I see? I saw the gray and white birds, gray and pink birds again, and they were pretty. And yeah, I didn't actually see that much, so I don't know, maybe I'll see something later, but I'll catch you guys later. Bye! He said the atmosphere is immaculate for Sunday night dinner.
Normally, yes.
Just want to show you guys the sunset a little bit before I go inside. It's so pretty. Oh my god, there's a kid on a scooter out there. Oh, someone lost. They don't look very happy. Sitting right there. Okay. There's some kids on the scooter over there. Ooh, pretty sky. But yeah, they have a field and other things. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm going inside now.
Five hours of walk exactly room.
It took me 5 hours to sober up and realise I was out of place.
Oh, 1 in 3, yeah.
Oh, nice.
This is the first game and it's 11-10 right now in this semifinals. Update. It's 2-1 for the Indian girl right now, and then my teammate, she is
Excellent. Washing from the left.
got the last game, but yeah. I was coaching my Japanese teammate a bit, and we're just trying to get the rallies going, because if the rally is going, then she's way more likely to win it.
8-3. Right box.
Gamare! But yeah, the Indian girl just has like a really nice serve, and then reads the game really, really well, and then puts the ball in the right corners. Gamare! And she's reading Risa's game really well. She's already going to where like she thinks Risa's gonna hit it, and then she hits a really nice shot after.
Hand out.
Nice shot.
4-9.
Gamare! Nice.
6-9.
Gamare!
Yes, left. 6-9.
Oh my god, that's a nice shot.
Hand out. 10-6. Match ball.
Gamare! Oh, come on. Oh, that's gonna lucky.
And out 7-10 match ball.
Oh my god.
8-10 match ball.
Gamare! Okay, so, oh, that was a nice shot.
9-2.
Come on, Maddie.
How is she?
So-
Like 17, 18?
I'm not sure. I think so.
Still has got
Oh, nice. Like she's definitely still a junior.
3-9.
I'm assuming she's 18 in like first year of uni, but I'm not sure. Okay, good. Keep her on the backhand. Keep her on the
That'd
back.
be a huge comeback.
Yeah, huge.
Comeback.
The comeback of the tournament. Yeah, down 2 love too. and then
Still have done like 9-2.
9-2 in the third game and comes back and wins. Wins in 5. Keep on backhand. Oh, too low. Go. Oh yeah, she got it. Get there. Oh my god. Good backhand. Okay, straight. Okay, good. Cross. Straight. Oh, come on.
5-9.
When I'm trying to take the space ball, she can't be coming back in. Clear that space. So I can Let's go.
Come on, let's go. You're in her head now.
5-9.
Come on, just get this game, and then I think everything will work out a lot better. 5-9. Okay. Look at that.
I have a group chat with my uncle and my uncle's friend.
Yeah.
And the friend was like, I'm gonna like have fingers crossed on both of my hands for you. And my uncle was like, I can do it only on one hand. I have a beer in the other one.
Nice. This is good. Come on. She's making the comeback. Just gotta keep it up. Yeah, I think so. Have hope. Come on. Okay, cross. Oh, that's what. Yeah. Yeah, 8-9. Come on, Maddie. Stay locked in. Cross, nice. Cross. Nice, good. Yeah, she's basically won almost all her points on that side.
Yeah.
I mean, there are the few drops that she won. Cross. Yes. Cross, yeah. Cross. Nice. Straight. Yeah.
10-9. Game ball.
Come on, she has to keep it up. Come on, Maddie. Oh my god, why does she serve that? Come on, Maddie.
Come on, Maddie.
10-all. Player must win by 2 points.
It's all because of that serve. Oh. Nice. Straight. Good. Lob. Oh my god. It's okay. Oh.
No less.
It wasn't a perfect nick though.
11-10.
It wasn't a perfect nick though. She could have gone there. Come on, Maddie. You got this. Oh my god. She had game wall. Come on. Good. That's a good cross. Straight. Yes.
11-all. Player must win by 2 points.
Let's go, Maddie.
Yeah, of course, try to drop that. No, but like,
Let's keep that in. Come on, Maddie. Oi. Okay, good. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, she ripped that.
Game ball.
That was a bloody ripper.
Wait, do you have the camera?
No, this is such an entertaining game. Yes! Nice! Good. Woo. Okay, continue. Okay, so Maddie's been able to catch up two games, and it's the 5th game right now. She's up 8-3 right now. This is the dub coaching team. Hopefully. Nice, that's a good lob. Backhand. Yes. Oh, straight. Oh, that's a good lob. Nice, you got it back. Keep it on the back. No. Oh my god. Straight. Yes. Yeah, come on.
Come on, Maddie. Come on. Reset. Come on.
Come on, Maddie. Keep it up. Come on.
Let's go, Maddie.
Sheesh.
And you got when I was saying it will be the best comeback.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, you called it. Yeah. If she wins this, you called the best comeback. Yeah, 9-2 third game down. Okay, but she has to just stay focused now for just a few more points. Oh my god, that's good. But yes! Cross, good. Okay, drop. Okay, that works too. Cross. Oh my god, that was so lucky.
10-4, next ball.
Oh my god, come on Maddie. Stay focused. Oh yeah! Wow.
8-11, 6-11.
Woo! Yeah! That was awesome. Hey everyone, I'm back at the Airbnb. Happy to win my match, the best of 3 match, and tomorrow I'll be playing the little finals of the plate event. I thought I should show you guys my very lavish dinner. Look at this. Wow, 2 end pieces of toast plus 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and then there's a little bit of other curry flavor. And then, oh, I'm also gonna have a bit of cereal too. Very nice, I know. And then, well, because tomorrow I check out, so I leave tomorrow morning. And then play my match, or like go to the club, play my match, and then watch the finals of the men's and women's, and then head over to the airport to go back to Perth. So, you know, just kind of finishing up, I guess, what I have left. And yeah. You know, doesn't it look great? Look at that. Nice zoom in with the... Wow! Anyways. It was like I guess my match today was like relatively easy. And... you know, I was happy I stuck to the game plan, and the game plan that I was doing was just like finding my back corners, and I'm just trying to get better and better at doing that, because that's what I'm working on with Aaron. And then I know, like, in the long run I just want to become like one of the best at that. So yeah, like my natural game is a very, very attacking game, while what I was doing today is like the exact opposite of that. So that's what I've been like learning. Hey. Anyways, hopefully I can do that tomorrow too. But I have a very tough opponent tomorrow. Her name is Sarah Cardwell, and she's on the Team Australia. She's ranked top 100. She's quite good. and she reads the game very well, and she has really nice shots. So she's really good at shooting, actually. So this should be interesting. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I'm excited to, I guess, show you guys, see how tomorrow goes. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.